Hey, this is Neil from Neil Point. I'm gonna show you guys today launch scan tool for automotive vehicle, light vehicle, and this one for goes to the European cars as well. This is called Auscan. So this one's specifically designed to Australia. So it's got Holden and Ford more information, and you can scan more. So I'm gonna open this one and have a look. So when you open it up like this, and yeah, so this is the scan tool right there, and then this one's wireless connector, and then so this one's gonna be like a connector that you connect with this one, and then it's probably like you can probably have a look. Honda, Subaru, Kia, SsangYong, Toyota, Chrysler. Some vehicles are like a 6-pin, 12-pin, so you can actually plug in, and yeah, it's got Mercedes as well, BMW right there, Toyota, gently, Ford, Mazda. Modern cars are most 16 pins. I think some of the old cars you gotta use those connector to connect that. So here is the ball connector. Alright, let's have a look. Yeah, so this one's a large connector. It's like a Volkswagen Golf. Maybe trim's narrow and then you can't fit it. So that way you can use this one. Cheers. See, connect these ones like that, and then connect to the other side. And they have like a keyboard, so yeah, use it for battery charging port, things like that. Yeah, this one's all the connector you can use. Alright, well, so I'm gonna turn it on and then just gonna have a look. Okay, there is a. So this is Auscan 2 actually. It actually released this year, 2019. So it's like a brand new. Brand new. Yeah. You have to launch Android. Or actually, when it is starting up, I can show you charging connector. Yeah, they don't use a USB-C type. They use a USB-B. So, all right. Back to position now. So yeah, look at that. So it's on my name on it. So this one's the internet. You get the internet, or either yeah, you connect that. Auscan. See that Australian specific scan tool. So there is heaps. You can choose Audi, BMW. Yeah, look at that. And then this is, yeah, just what you save. You can save it here. Yeah, this one's like a fully Android, so you can actually download this something like you can actually play music as well. Hmm. Yeah, this one's Team Viewer. You can use Team View as well. Yeah, if you're having an issue with something, you can get technical support or something like that. So use team support and then connect to the online, and then people can help you. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.